Hi, good day, viewers and students. Have you ever imagined a world without the protective embrace of packaging, where the fruits of our labor in agriculture are left exposed, vulnerable, and their journey to our tables fraught with uncertainty? Today, we delve into the crucial realm of packaging of agricultural produce, where we explore the silent heroes that guarantee freshness, safety, and accessibility. Today we shall be looking at packaging of agricultural produce, and our objectives shall cut across three areas. 1, to define packaging. 2, to list some common packaging materials used in packaging agricultural produce. And lastly, to state the importance or benefits of packaging agricultural produce. Now the question is, what is packaging? Simply, packaging refers to the act of enclosing, protecting, or presenting farm produce in suitable or appropriate containers in readiness for transportation, marketing, or storage. Now, having said all this, quickly, let's look at some common packaging materials that we use in packaging our produce. Number 1, baskets for packaging fruits and vegetables. Number 2, we have glass bottles for packaging honey. We have it on the screen. Number 3, we have jars for packaging palm oil. Then again, wooden crates for packaging fresh fruits such as tomatoes. And lastly, we have plastic wrappers for wrapping dressed chicken for sale in shops and in markets. Now, away from this, quickly, let's look at the benefits. When our produce are neatly packaged, what are the benefits we tend to derive? Number 1, it informs consumers of all the properties of the products. Secondly, packaging promotes easy handling of produce. And thirdly, is a source of information. Now, it gives us useful information to the buyers. Then lastly, it is for tracking and for tracing. Now, the label on the pack can be used to trace the source of the products and the manufacturers. Now, having listened to this, by now you should be able to define packaging, then list some common packaging materials used in packaging agricultural produce. Then you should be able to state the importance of packaging agricultural produce. Thank you for watching. See you in our next section.